in the village I used to live in. And there was a man who owned the local pub, and we were putting on a talent competition. And the pub is called the Fox and Coney. Instead of calling it the X Factor, we'll call it the Fox Factor. The Fox Factor was a monster of an undertaking. Ran for 9 weeks.
Losing you is like a flame, and oh, that memory. Sound the violin. You a man, Bojangles, and he danced me. And if he's beside me,
I touch you, you just tremble inside.
And I so make a sound
Whenever it's right,
oh, there's nowhere to run. And that was satisfied, and the secret is still my own. Be the one you come run. Well, you're slim and you're weak. You got the teeth of the Hydra upon you. Zarathustra!
that's a huge round of applause for Zara Thrustle. Let's hear it for Zara of 2011 Fox Factor.
But the owner of the pub, who was arranging this competition, was the owner of a dark blue 1984 Series 3 Land Rover. He didn't like it, he didn't drive it. And I said to him, I'll do the gig for the Land Rover. I'll take the Land Rover as payment. And he said, well, you want that old thing? I said, yeah, I do. So he agreed. So we got into the competition, did the whole thing, and he gave me the keys, logbook, and she's mine. Now I'm one of those freaky weirdo people who I name my Land Rover. And this particular Land Rover, we were messing around with names, couldn't think of anything particularly. And then a friend of mine in Sweden, his daughter asked if I would be her godfather, and her name is Rosie. So I thought, well, what a perfect name for my Land Rover, Rosie. And that's how Rosie became Rosie. Coincidentally, my co-host, who was somebody who was on the radio for the Fox Factor, her name was Rosie as well.
Can we have a mark out of 10 for this, please?
0!
So for the big final, I drove Rosie to the final, and everybody else was getting out in limousines, and we turned up in a beaten up old Land Rover. So the Land Rover's name is Rosie. And if you're one of those people who says, it's an object, yes, I know, but it's an object with a name. That's for Tony.
When the Lord don't believe in me.